Do you ever trade Bitcoin?
I buy the coins and hold them. I don't trade them. So I like, but Bitcoin is, there's the ROI on Bitcoin. The return, the expected return on Bitcoin is like, for you to double your money on Bitcoin, Bitcoin would have to move to from 15,000 to 30,000. So I wouldn't trade, I wouldn't buy those, you know? I'm looking for coins that I could easily double my money on. So now XRP, I own about 20,000 XRP coins, and I got those at, 20 cents, 25 cents. And it's currently, let me see, XRP. Yeah, we're still at 25 cents, but it's a way better upside, XRP went up to about $3.90 already. So let's say you have 10,000 coins at 25 cents. Paid 2,500 to get those 10,000 coins. XRP goes up to $10. No, XRP goes up to $1. You have $10,000 from your 2,500. If XRP goes up to $10, you have $100,000. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. All right. So apart from GBP, JPY, I'll be looking at Aussie dollar. Now, with Aussie dollar, we had a break here, pull back, follow through. Then we had a break here, pull back, follow through to the upside. So price tried to break out to the downside, failed, and came back up to the upside. Break. H4. We had a clear breakout, pull back, follow through, pull back, move, move, move. Came back up to a ceiling. We got on some moves, got some pips out. Price is now pulling back. We'll see if we'll take another trade on this. I think we got in here. We didn't really get a lot of pips from this trade though, but about 10 pips or so. But we'll see if price respects this ceiling or if price breaks out of the ceiling. On Sundays, I don't like to trade, and that's mainly because the market hasn't settled yet. So I like to wait till the market settles and then start flowing with it after that. We could break Aussie dollar down, and it will be the same situation. You'll see that price broke above a ceiling, created a floor, respected that floor. One time here, created another floor, got below it, respected this floor, pushed higher, created this floor, nothing, created this floor, came back here, created this floor, tested, broke, created this floor again, respected, floor, floor, now floor. So at the end of the day, price got below the floor a little here, but it never really did close below and continue below. So we wouldn't be looking to sell this yet. The only reason I would sell at that point was because price came back to a resistance level. So taking the sell off the resistance level, I have some potential of making profit. You see, that's 40 pips down to that wick, that's 47 pips. So taking the sells off of resistance levels, that's no problem. Price, this is an obvious level here. Price created the level, tried to get above it, came down lower, came back up. So at the end of the day, this was a break, pull back, follow through. Price came, if I measured this here as my follow through leg, as you'll learn in the course, that's almost 100% retrace on the fib. So once price, I'm looking for price to transition at some point up here, and then I'll look to take that trade to the downside if I do get that transition. Now, once I get the transition and I see that ceilings are being maintained, then I'll definitely take that trade. But if I don't get the transition and I see that only floors are being maintained, then I won't look to take that trade. I won't look to take a sell. I'll look to take a buy. And that's what I'll be looking at for this week. We'll be trading GBP, JPY, and Aussie dollar USD. I gave y'all a little insight on XRP. And I think everybody here could go buy some XRP. Even if you just buy 100, 100 will cost you $25. Let's say you get 100 XRP for 25 bucks. I don't make no money by telling you to buy this. And you have 100 XRPs and it goes up to $20,000 like Bitcoin. Let me do the math for you. You add 2 zeros onto 20,000. So you have $2 million from spending 25 bucks buying XRP, you know, so it's not 25 bucks buying 100 of them. So there's no downside. That's why I buy it. All right, so we're about to get out of here for today. This was a good webinar. I appreciate everybody for showing up. If you guys have any more questions before I get out of here, let me know now. And let me just head over here to the course so I can let everybody know where it's at, just in case any of you guys want to sign up. Now, this is the course here. You get to learn how I generate consistent profits trading Forex. You'll learn my technical analysis skills, learn my risk management skills. Trading psychology is taught throughout the entire course. So in every lesson, you're learning the correct mindset that you're supposed to have. So by the time you're done with the course, your mindset is already where it needs to be. Consistent profits, I show you how I make consistent profits. That's just based on how I partial out, always move my stops to break even. So this way, even if the market goes against me, I'm still making money. And as long as you could do that, you will always make money and you'll just grow your account. So imagine doing that for a year, for 2 years, for 3 years. You'll be making thousands, tens of thousands of dollars. What do our members say? These are 3 members that took the course, you know, they like it. If you want a sneak peek, there's a 30-minute webinar that's similar to this webinar that you could go watch for free. And whenever you're ready to join, you just go ahead and sign up. And it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if it doesn't work for you and you think it's total bullshit, you get your money back.
Hey, this is Latanya. I'm coming from Louisiana. I'm here just finished the course with Universal Trading Group. From day one, I've learned so much. I'm going back home to Louisiana with so much confidence after taking this course, after doing the back test, and after going through everything we went through. I recommend this course to anybody who want to take their trading game to the next level, and I'm appreciative for this course. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's why I reached out to you on the phone. I was like, dude, especially when I looked at, you know, my week, and I realized I think I was like 7 out of 8 trades I was on, and you know, in profit. And I was just like, holy crap, what did I just do? Because I honestly, I've like been at this for so long trying to get it right, that I haven't put a lot of like emotional effort into it. And so I was just kind of sitting back and saying, okay, well, let me apply this. And so I was just being methodical and applying everything the way that you had said, you know, not knowing whether or not it was going to work or not, you know, really. Yeah. Because I just don't know. And then after seeing it working and working and working, I'm like, oh my God, like, I feel like I got born again. I was like, oh my Lord, this is awesome. Like, I get it. I get it.
No, that's good. That's good. Once everything started to click for me, and I crossed over that bridge, the bridge into now, okay, you know what's going on. Now it's just for you to make profits, you know, and don't rush.
Yeah, that was the biggest thing. I was not, like, nothing fooled me. Yeah. Nothing fooled me. I knew exactly what was going on with the market. Exactly. At every given time. I had total confidence. Nothing was, you know, I wasn't looking at something and then starting to turn my mind into, well, maybe it's going to go the other way, you know, like I used to do, and talk myself out of trades or into stupid trades. I don't know. It's like I just knew what was happening. It was like, it was awesome. it felt good. It felt powerful. It felt like it should feel.
It's only going to get better from here.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Better from here.
My experience here at Universal Trading Group was awesome. Learned a lot. Learned a lot on the pullbacks. Learned just on the communication, on the support and resistance. This has definitely been a blessing, and continue on this trading journey. And I definitely appreciate him for working with us on a one-on-one, and it is worth the money as well too.